In this video I am going to show you how to fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. Are you facing the issue where you can't find the CapCut Try This Template button? If so, this video is here to help. In this quick tutorial I'll walk you through 3 different methods to resolve this problem. If you're on iPhone, open the App Store, or if you're an Android user, open the Google Play Store. Ensure that you have the latest version of TikTok installed. If TikTok is not updated, make sure to update it. If you still can't find the button, even after the update, it's possible that the videos you're watching do not have templates applied. Open TikTok and search for CapCut templates. You will find videos in the search results with CapCut templates applied. When you open any of these videos, you should see the CapCut Try This Template button. Click on it and explore and use different templates for your TikTok videos or Instagram Reels. If the issue persists, you may want to clear the cache and reinstall the app. Go to your phone settings, open the General section, tap on Storage and then find TikTok on the list. Tap on Clear Cache and then reinstall it. This fresh installation should bring back the Try This Template button. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.